And for that reason,
the Laitdom Presbyterian Secondary School in Eastern West Khasi Hills District today organized a program to facilitate Ridahun Walang, who have secured 15th position in the top 20 of the recent SSLC examination 2024. The local MLA, Medba Lingdo, was the chief guest in the program in the presence of Vice Principal of St. Thomas Higher Secondary School, Pindeng Umyong, Mairang, Sister Cecily, members of the MC, students and others. Lingdo in his speech congratulated Ridahun Walang and encouraged other students to do well in their studies. As an acknowledgement to the school, he has promised to help the school with financial assistance.
Next year. Starts now.